Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess museum director, you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
Hi, my name is Richard Asti, and I'm the very proud director of the McNay Art Museum. My career is dedicated to make lives better through beauty.
What super skill do you use in your career?
The super skill I use the most is listening, because we are co-creating our beautiful work with the community, and I can't do that well if I'm not listening to the needs and the wants of our community.
What is the funniest thing about your career?
The funniest thing about being a museum director is that I work in a building dedicated to art, to painting, sculpture, and drawings, and yet I don't know how to do any of that.
Are you still learning?
I'm learning every day, and for that reason, I purposely created a team here at the museum of people that are far smarter than I am, so that I learn from them and I learn from the artists who every day create new works of art that we celebrate here at the museum.
What an amazing career! Also, use your listen super skill to get the job done. And think about all the things you could be.